In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in DocuSign. If you need to create a copy of an existing template without starting from scratch, DocuSign makes that process quick and simple. Duplicating a template is especially useful when you want to reuse the same layout, recipients, or document settings while making small changes to the new version. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to do it clearly and efficiently. To begin, sign into your DocuSign account. Make sure you're using the correct account where your templates are stored so you can access the one you want to copy. Once you're logged in, go to the Templates page. This is where DocuSign stores your saved templates, and it's the main area you'll use to manage, edit, and duplicate them. On the Templates page, locate the template you want to duplicate. If you have a large number of templates, it may help to scroll carefully or use any available search or filtering options to find the correct one more quickly. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the right template can save time later, especially if several templates have similar names. After you find the template, click the Actions menu for that template. This menu contains several management options related to the selected template. From the list of available options, choose Duplicate. This tells DocuSign to create a copy of the existing template while preserving its current setup. Next, enter a name for the duplicated template. Try to choose a name that makes it easy to identify the new version later. For example, you might include a date, department, project label, or version note if that helps keep your templates organized. A clear naming convention can be very helpful if you work with multiple template variations. Once you've entered the new name, click Save. DocuSign will then create the duplicated template and add it to your template list. From there, you can open the copy template and make any edits you need while keeping the original template unchanged. That's all it takes to duplicate a template in DocuSign. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you need to reuse existing work and stay consistent across documents. Thanks for watching.